how to get a refund on Uber Eats in 2026. So the very first thing to do is, first of all, get into your Uber Eats and make sure you're logged into your account. Then from here, simply tap on the account icon that you'll be able to see right here. From here, tap on orders, and then you'll be able to see all of your orders, right? If you simply tap on past orders here, you'll be able to see your past order. From here, select the specific past order that had an issue. So for example, it could be missing items, incorrect order, or cold food, right? Simply select that order, then tap on get help or support located in the top right corner area of that order. Then from there, you can choose the specific issue from the menu list. For example, it could be, like I said, missing order or incorrect items. Then upload the supporting photos if prompted, and submit your report to the request or an instant Uber credit or original payment card refund. And that is exactly how you will be able to get a refund on Uber Eats in 2026. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below, and that will be it for this video.